Hello, good morning, everyone, or good day, everyone. It's yet another day. Today we'll be talking about how we can uh, connect two different systems, depending on how people say it is. Some persons will decide to make use of their Bluetooth, while some will use the Ethernet. If they're using the Ethernet, there is a cable, and they have to connect with their cable. But here we'll be talking about how to turn on the Ethernet. Maybe for a subsequent class or subsequent classes. Sorry, we'll talk about more. We'll talk about more like and how to uninstall softwares. Now let's talk about how to turn on the Ethernet. Turning on the Ethernet, you have to make sure, sometimes mostly, that the internet, yes, the internet is turned off, so that the Ethernet can connect. Yes, they are both different. The internet and the Ethernet are two different things. One connects systems, the other one, yes, they both connect systems, but one of them connects system through, even with or without the use of internet. Connecting the internet is like making sure that computers are linked. Yes, are linked, especially when concerned with cables. These cables that connect systems together. I believe most of our systems have a cable connectors too. So if you have cable connectors, that would be very, very nice. And you make sure you have your some persons will use switch for better connection, while others will just connect and make sure that everything is a good applied process being followed. So we are going to start. First of all, we check for the connected devices. These are the connected networks that are supposed to be seen from here. This connected network is supposed to be here, and if they are here, you will be able to detect which to connect from. When you talk about the internet, for the Ethernet is a different ball game. All you have to do is to click on this network and internet settings. Most of the time, that's where all factors of all internet settings are usually initiated from. Sometimes you can come here, which is the Ethernet, and check if it's connected. Yes. Why nothing is happening here is because I don't have my cables connected on. If I have my cables connected on, you will see that it will be trying to detect which networks are being connected, and if there is a network that is connected, it will detect, and then it will try to link with the other computers that want to gain connection to this computer. So after connecting the cable, it will display that it has been connected from here. Some might not even display, but what matters is that you are able to detect a network, and then here at the network sharing center, you can also check and look at the change network adapter and click on it to know which of the networks are connected. As you can see, none are connected. I turned off the Wi-Fi just now, so the Wi-Fi will not be connected. That's another issue. It's not an issue, but because if you want to turn on the network, it's just to come here and turn on sorry, not here, come to the network area and turn on my Wi-Fi if I want that. If I want all network turned off, it's just to turn on the airplane mode. Yes, that will turn off every of the network. Then this is a Ethernet. This is a local area connection for local area network. Some people will say it's LAN. Then this one is the Wi-Fi. This one can connect systems whether far or near. Yes, you can also use this to link systems that are within an organization, and then link it to systems that are far away but within the same location too. Especially even if it's a further away. This one can be within a building, within an apartment, but this one can connect your systems with your phones. I believe we are all used to this, where you want to connect your phone to your system through Wi-Fi and make sure you're able to browse the internet. That is the way this one works most of the time, especially when it comes to persons that want to browse with their system but don't have SIM card within the system or internet access. They connect with their phones. Now next we talk about how to quickly make sure our internet or our cable connected network are sure to have been connected, depending on the IP address, yes, of the connected device or the connecting device. All you have to do is to come here and click on impute run. Right, then you impute run, you click enter. In this area, you impute ping, then space, depending on the IP address that you are tracing. Yes, if the IP address is not known to you, you have to seek for it. Then you input the IP address. Take for instance, there's an IP address as one depending, I don't know, depending on the IP address you define, but make sure you input everything. It goes like things like maybe 192 yes, then dot. So yes, you see other three variables, sometimes 2 or 3, and then by the time you are done inputting them, you click OK. You know if it is pinging or it's not pinging. If it is pinging, by the time you select all the details, like you have let me see if this one is a network. If it is a network, it will connect. If it's not a network, to another system or to another connecting a device, a system mostly, it will not connect. Okay, we see it disputing something that will indicate if there is a connection or there is no connection. That's the way it works.